Hello.
Phone connected.
Good morning, guys. This is Cowboy, and welcome to This Cowboy's Ride. It is Thursday morning. Oh, it's somewhere in the low 70s with a 20% chance of rain this morning. It's supposed to be thunderstorms by about 1 o'clock. Member of our Combat Veterans Motorcycle Association's wife has passed unexpectedly, and they're having her funeral service this morning. It's a drive-through because of the COVID-19, and I could have took my car, I guess, or truck, but I felt like it would be a better representation to go on the bike, and I ain't worried about 20% chance of rain. So anyway, I'm headed 30 miles down the road for this, and I'm also testing this audio system. A shout out to, if this audio works properly, this is a shout out to the Chestnut Mountain Tin Man. I'll get it right in a second. This is I knew I'd forget the name of the mic when I started to say it. I don't know why it's a something squid microphone, and I don't know why, but I want to say blue orchid every time. I don't know why, but anyway, it's a something squid microphone. I bought it off of eBay. He highly recommended it. I've attached it to an old boom I had that I turned around and zip tied to the boom for my Senna headset, and I'm hoping this microphone is going to do just what I need it to. It had a good clear pickup not going down the road, and the way it's designed, it just has one hole in the front where your voice goes into, and I have that hole facing directly towards my mouth. So I am hoping with the dead cat on it that there's not going to be any wind noise, and my voice is going to be loud enough that y'all can hear it good and clear. Man, I tell you what, some of y'all that's been following my channel know, I have really been dealing with some audio issues, and I know I could fix every one of my audio issues with a full face mask, full face helmet, good Lord. But I just cannot hardly stand the thought of it. It seems claustrophobic, it seems hot, and I mean, the whole idea of a motorcycle and riding is freedom. And yeah, it may be, I know a half helmet's definitely not the safest compared to a full face helmet, but you know, there's some things in life that I'm willing to sacrifice on for freedom. But guys, anyway, I'm headed to take care of this business this morning, sad business, and y'all keep my fella CVMA friend, buddy, brother, any prayers. Family's hurting right now for good reason. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to holler at y'all, let y'all know I'm still here. I've got a video in the pipe, and I'm working on it. What would I say? I am thinking on it. I am pondering it, considering the circumstances of our state. The state of being here, the state of the idiots riding, not the looters. I don't say that about the rider. Yeah, the looters and riders, y'all are idiots. I ain't gonna go no further. That's just the way that is. But now if you're protesting hey, I'll back you and I'll back you. You're right to do that. But after that, it's all, the rest of it's just criminal. So anyway, I'm sure y'all gonna see this video shortly, but I am still trying to consider the best way to put it out to where it's informative, interesting, and I don't know, how do you say, I don't want to make hurt nobody's feelings. No way, I don't, you know. Does that mean I'm supposed to just change everything I do and how I feel and believe? That ain't happening, I can tell you that right now. But anyway, guys, I'm just sitting here rambling. I just wanted to check my audio and see how it was doing actually. And if it's working really good, y'all give me a thumbs up. We'll talk to y'all later.